Right, over in Europe, all eyes are on Paris, where Chinese President Xi Jinping is all set to meet France's President Emmanuel Macron, Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel, and the EU Commission Chief Jean-Claude Juncker. Xi Jinping called for increased cooperation between the European Union and China. The Chinese President has called for strong Europe-China partnership, adding that there must be multilateralism and fair and balanced trade. He was speaking at the Elysee Palace in Paris following his talks with France's Emmanuel Macron.
欧洲是多极化世界重要一极，也是中国最重要的合作伙伴之一。因此，我今年首次出访就选择欧洲。中方高度重视中欧关系。一个团结的、强盛的欧洲，符合我们所支持的世界多极化这样的一个世界格局。
Xi's statement comes after he signed dozens of deals on nuclear power, cultural exchange and clean energy with France. Significantly, China also signed a huge contract with Airbus for 300 aircraft, including A320s and A350s. Macron has also said that France and China will cooperate on a number of investment projects. These will be based out of some European countries, acting as entryways for China's Belt and Road Initiative. This comes at a time when there is increasing nervousness over Beijing's massive investments in Europe. The worry is that China will use the BRI for exercising heft, both diplomatically and financially.